Hello students, we are going to discuss about spray tower wet scrubber. Spray tower classified into two types. One is counter current spray tower, another one co-current spray tower. One by one we will discuss. First one, counter current spray tower. This figure shows that counter current spray tower. What is spray tower? Spray tower is gas liquid contactor used to achieve mass and heat transfer between a continuous gas phase and a dispersed liquid phase. Are you clear? Okay. So it consists of an empty cylindrical vessel made up of steel or plastic. So nozzles that spray liquid into the vessel. Inlet gas stream usually enter at the bottom of the tower. So and moves upward while the liquid is sprayed downward from one or more levels. This flow of inlet gas and liquid in opposite direction. So that's why this spray tower is called counter flow spray tower. This type of technology can be used for example of wet scrubber for air pollution control. Counter flow exposes the outlet gas with the lowest pollutant concentration to the freshest scrubbing liquid. This is the advantages of counter flow spray tower. Many nozzles are placed across the tower at a different height to spray all of the gas as it moves up through the tower. Reason for using many nozzles is to maximize the number of fine droplets impacting the pollutant particle, provide a large surface area for absorbing gas. Are you clear or not? Okay. Theoretically, the smaller the droplet, so because smaller droplet, what about the collection efficiency? Collection efficiency also high for both gaseous and particulate pollutants. So the liquid droplet must be large enough not to be carried out of the scrubber by the scrubbed outlet gas stream. Are you clear? Okay. So in this tower, nozzle produce droplet nearly 500 to 1000 micrometer in diameter. So whereas other type of the scrubber like Venturi scrubber having a droplet diameter of 10 to 50 micrometer in size. Compare with that scrubber, so this tower also having larger droplet diameter band. Are you clear or not? Okay. So what about the gas velocity here? Gas velocity is very low. So range is 0.3 to 1.2 meter per second. So this is prevent excess droplets from being carried out of the tower. So due to low gas velocity, the range of 0.3 to 1.2 meter per second, this tower must be larger than other type of scrubber. So the same gas flow rate or gas stream flow rate handle, so this is the larger than compared with other type of scrubber. So another problem occurring in spray tower, after the droplet have fallen a short distance, so this is hit the wall of the tower. The total liquid surface area for contact is reduced. So what about the collection efficiency? Collection efficiency also reduced. Collection efficiency depends upon the liquid surface area. Once the total liquid surface area is reduced, automatically collection efficiency of the scrubber also reduced. Are you clear or not? Okay, this is the information about counter current spray tower. Another type of spray tower, co-current spray tower. This figure shows that co-current spray tower. So in this tower, the inlet gas and liquid flow in the same direction. The gas stream does not push against the liquid spray. What about the gas velocity in this tower? Gas velocity is higher than counter current spray tower. What is the range of gas velocity in counter current spray tower? 0.3 to 1.2 meter per second. Compare with this range. So the co-current spray tower gas velocity ranges are higher. Are you clear or not? Okay. What about the size? Size of co-current spray tower is smaller than counter current spray tower, treating the same amount of exhaust flow. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this tower also called horizontal spray scrubber. So in this tower, gas and liquid flow in direction perpendicular to each other. So in this vessel, gas flow horizontally through a number of spray sections. How many sections in this figure? 3 sections are there. So here gas flow horizontally through a number of spray sections. What about the amount and quality of liquid? So the amount and quality of liquid spray in each section can be varied. Usually with the cleanest liquid sprayed in the last set of spray. So here this is liquid recycle pump in last spray, last set of spray. If recycle liquid is used, this is the last one. So in this figure, what is the purpose of entrainment separator? Remove and recover various entrained liquid. That purpose only entrainment separators are used in co-current spray tower. Advantages and limitations of spray tower. Advantages: simultaneously remove particulate and gaseous pollutant. Hot gases can be cooled down. Corrosive gases can be recovered and neutralized. Limitation: lot of wastewater produced. Poses freezing problem in cold countries. Maintenance cost is high when corrosive materials are collected. Applications of spray tower. First application, it is used to remove hydrochloric acid gas from the tail gas exhaust in manufacturing hydrochloric acid. What are tail gases? Gases produced from refinery, not required for further processing. Second application, production of superphosphate used in manufacturing fertilizer. SiF4 and HF gases. SiF4 is nothing but silicon tetrafluoride. HF is nothing but hydrogen fluoride gases are vented from various points in the processes. Spray tower have been used to remove these highly soluble components. Third application, spray tower are also used for odor removal in bone meal and tallow manufacturing industries by scrubbing the exhaust gases with a solution of potassium permanganate. What is tallow? Tallow is nothing but a rendered form of beef or mutton fat. Thank you for your attention.